So 23 started a few years back. In fact, we've been doing this for 5 or 6 years. And we started out doing photo sharing for private people, basically letting people upload their family photos. So the main product now is 23 Video. 23 Video was launched about a year ago in a beta preview in Denmark. And we've kind of built up a pretty big market share. So what we're doing now is basically enabling about 160 different organizations and companies in Denmark, and a few companies like outside of Denmark as well, to do video hosting based around their own brand, based around their own videos, keeping their own relationship to their users. I don't know if I can actually make up the exact decisions on this board, but hopefully we'll make something work. Well, the really interesting thing is that we've been trying to provide technology. So what we do is we allow you to upload videos. We obviously do a lot of stuff around that, distributing it to different places, whatever we do. But it's certainly a technical challenge from where we're sitting, and we see our own role as being, providing infrastructure to actually power that video revolution. You might think of video sites now as being CNN and YouTube, but when we actually give that kind of control to the publishers themselves, obviously you're going to see a huge growth. Video manuals for your products, for internal communications. How do you do support on Microsoft Outlook in a big organization distributed around the world? How do you do innovative things? So what we always see is like we provide the technical underpinnings, but then we basically allow people to reinvent their existing communications, all the stuff that they're doing in text or in photos or in meetings, reinventing that through video. The dark meeting room today. So this is it.
Do you have any dark secrets you want to share?
Not today. It's Sunday. No dark secrets on Sundays. Well, the big milestone now is that we're launching internationally, or even globally, you might say. So what we've been working on for the past few months is basically making everything ready, not only for distributing videos in Northern Europe, but also actually doing it globally. So we've been building new server sites, basically different locations for delivering our videos around the world as a part of the product that we're offering. From where I'm sitting now, it's really exciting to see that we're launching in about a week, and that's certainly what we've been focusing on and gearing our organizations toward over the past year, basically. So I don't know how big we'll become, but certainly we have had, like 160 Danish sites up and running in a year, and obviously we hope to have the same kind of growth when we go internationally, basically.